Intercept and a chance for a runaway to Waverley. And they won't catch him, that's Jackson Molly who just made the try-saving tackle and he's run.
They're going to get around. Yeah, they do. I'm just wanting to keep so long. Well, can the girls first?
Sneaking away like a thief in the night down the blind side. Please come in.
photo, he walked in on the left hand side, saw a photo.
Palmerston North scores.
Got it.
Let's go, Aussie! Go!
It's right there, the score for number 13, Charlie Ryan.
I think it was a great rotation, soccer singer. It was there.
Great cover tackle there from Palmerston North in the corner. And that's a great double there. The field and try some solid distance between.
There you go. No, we know exactly what is happening. Well done, Charlie! They present every day. Every day. Yeah. Work them out.
Good running! Good tackle!
We have Scots College kicking off to the AC Beasties.
They're running behind them, maybe they
First try goes to the this has been a sensational run here from Tagala Bennett. He's gone 90 metres to score under the sticks for Lloyd McDermott. Sensational effort there. Sensational take from the kick-off for Lloyd McDermott. That's a sensational try to Tyson 4 on the corner. Try to Sydney High, the sticks there.
I did say I wanted to have a look. I was supposed to have some fruit, but I didn't have Oh, did you say that, didn't you?
Lloyd McDermott going those things. working out here, showing some sizzling pace. That's another sensational try there to Lloyd McDermott.
It's up to me next time. So you'll do Rugby game day. You'll be a ball runner, water runner. Don't watch the boys, do this. Play something up. Watch home design project.
Lovely offload there from Jacob Canafone. Sydney High on the attack here.
Have a go.
Great try, Harry Todd. Scored 2 in the first match and he's got another one against the Underbelly Rams. Bad luck for Kane Murray.
That's cool. Here's the boy, and again.
Runaway try to Darcy Breen. Charlie Burnett setting up his teammate. Darcy Breen again. And try number 2. Great run here by number 7, that's Jamie Spowett. Too much pace, under the posts. And King's College lead by 5. With a run to the corner, but the cover coming at him. And a beautiful ankle tap made, but he scrambles over the line. Anyway, great effort though. Scots boy Charlie Jevons follows with the... Second try to number 11, Liam Baker-Smith for King's College. Here goes Charlie Jevons fellows, trying for his second, waving run, and he gets there. Run by number 2, Stuart Cruden, scores under the post for Palmerston North Boys High School. Swimming run there by Peter Susain. That's a try. Number 4, Charles Cullivan. There, try to Palmerston North. Number 1, Matinga Rua. Here we go, Palmerston North running away here. Jacob Freeman Rodrigues is going to score under the right post there. On the breakout here. How much speed's he got, Benny Baker? Benny Baker going for the corner. He's got Ioannidis. Centre field run by Tom Fuller. Good teamwork. Been very impressive so far. They beat Palmerston North by 20 points to 7. Scots Hoops, on the other hand, were beaten by Palmerston by 24 points to 15. Clear run to the line. Kings number 13. Work by Kyle Brown for Kings. He scored 3 tries in the first match against Palmerston North. Try number 4 for the day. reaches out. Did he get it down? Yes, he did. Great fit by Billy Smith there, and Scott's keeping the ball alive. Into the gap now, that's Angus Chadwick, and he's got plenty of pace, and he'll score. Yes, there you go. Almost equaliser and free kick. He certainly has. And Riverview hit the front. 12-7 the kick to cut. Oh, great kick off. High into the sun. Forced the error. Very close, and they're in. Another try to Riverview. Billy Smith. Now the chance, Archie Gammon. They've got the numbers, the hands will do it. Charlie Crawford across to Darcy Bree, and he scores the try. Good low tackle brings Darcy Breen to the ground. Great defence, Riverview here. They turn it over, and this kick can run. Quick tap by Nick Shannon. Burnett with no room to move. Shannon sandwiched. Slipped a little pass, and it's a try. And it's
on my chippers, man. I got this shit.
Good tackle, great defence from King Sydney. Kings New Zealand still with the ball. He's got his good numbers. That's half time. Douglas. There it is, full time in the King's College from New Zealand. The run-out victors, 10 points to 5.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Lovely old play there from Cyril Douglas Denduck. Jagiana Bennett put another beautiful kick through. Great try there to Lloyd McDermott. Scored by number 2, Brett Kelly in the sideline, taking them out to 29 and Canberra Grammar yet to score. Fuller, a clever pass. It'll come together.
Second round of basically, yeah. So it's basically it's not funny.
First thing back to school again.
Yeah, definitely. It shows you what the buildings come up over there. Really fun. Lloyd McDermott. Big run down the centre by Jackson Pettis. High tackle. Williams. Oh, what a big tackle. Big hit made by number 3, Eden Bowers and Roger Smith. Out wide is Brett
Lloyd McDermott Rugby Development team come from all over the place. We've got a couple from Queensland, Nudgy, a couple from Riverview, Kinross Molleroy, Oak Hill College, Scots College, and Dubbo. In centre field, that's clever footwork, and it's going to be a try to Tyson Fuller, his second, under the posts. The Lloyd McDermott team's coached by Mendel Cole Manolis and managed by Tom Evans and Leith Bennett. Pedersen gets possession, and here's a little dart down the blind side. Freeman Marphy, and he's got there. Jackson Freeman Marphy, and there's a player injured for Waverley College, prostrate on the ground. Waverley with a chance, knocked back by Zach Carr. It's him again, shrugging off the tackle, but still pulled down. Fuller. Plenty of pace. Over halfway. Support out wide. And it's going to be a try to Waverley at last. Little dummy, the hit and spin, and it's a try. Jaya Yadidis. Whistle going or the siren going. Early penalty going to King's College. Using the whole width of the field. Beautiful hands. And this is Mulitano again down the sideline. Oh, beautiful awareness, got the pass back inside. And that's the first class. Kiran McCoy.
Your friends hate it when it's always going
pressure. Unfortunately, called away a penalty. King's College could play the ball and call back to the mark. Given chase here by Jamie Spowett from the King's College. As soon as he's got plenty of toe, Jamie.